The 2005 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: HomeLink garage door opener, keyless entry, automatic stability control, fog lamps, OnStar 1-year safe and sound service, security system, power windows, dual zone climate control, tilt steering wheel, power driver mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.